Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friend. I was scared to approach you, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? Railroad white breaking off.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you this Diwali look that I have created for you guys. I know I'm very sorry if I'm not regularly posting YouTube videos on my channel, because many of you guys are asking, many of you guys are complaining about it. I'm really sorry for that. But here it is, a Diwali makeup look for you guys, and I'm just loving how it turned out. The base is so flawless, and my half cut crease, I'm just loving how it turned out. And all the products will be on the description box below. Make sure to check that out. And yeah, before you go, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, so first for my base, I am applying this moisturizing gel from the brand called Specifix, and this gel is really amazing as a base. This is a VLCC brand. And then for my sunscreen, I am using this sunscreen from Neutrogena. Now you can obviously skip this step if you are not going out during the daytime. For my foundation, I am mixing these two foundations from missclaire and the other one from Faces Canada. And I am applying it with my damp beauty blender. Now I am just loving how the base turned out. It was looking so flawless, and I'm just loving the combination. For my concealer, I am using this concealer from Wet n Wild. This is my all-time favorite concealer, and I'm just concealing and highlighting the areas of my face that I want it to be highlighted. Yeah. And then to prep my eyelids for my eye makeup and my eyeshadow, I am using this concealer from missclaire. This is a very thick base concealer, and it's really amazing. Then to set my whole eyelid area, I am using this powder from missclaire. Today I am going to use this Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette. First I am taking a very light pink toned shade, and I'm just smudging it on my eyelids. After that I took some brown and I'm just making it more deeper. Then I am moving on to my half cut crease, and for that I took the same concealer from missclaire and I'm just cutting out the crease. Then I'm going to apply this shimmery shade on my half cut crease. Okay, so as I am done with my eye makeup, I am moving on to my face and I'm applying the bronzer from Wet n Wild. It's a really amazing bronzer, and yeah. Then I'm just contouring my nose with my Kiss Beauty contouring palette. Now this palette is really amazing. You guys have seen it already, and yeah, I'm just contouring it. Then to set the rest of my face, I am using the same missclaire powder. And I am applying my blush, and this blush is from Wet n Wild. All the product link will be on the description box below. And then for my highlighter, as usual, I am using my Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. And in the last step, I am taking my makeup sponge that I have used already and I am just setting up well. And then for my lips, I took this lip liner. I think hopefully this is from Kiss Beauty, and I'm just lining up my lips for my lipstick. And yeah, here's the final look. This lipstick is from Maybelline and this eyelashes are from MAC Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.